This is the first time I ever had box braids. Box braids? Oh, she was the one that did it, guys. Hi, me and Kate. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna pierce her ears. I did this on Instagram on live. I was like, fuck it. Pew, pew. Alright, stay tuned. I'm terrified. Oh my god. Of piercing your ears? Yes, but I'm so it's just your ears, so you're fine.
Here I'm just showing you guys what I use. Needles, ring, bounty, wipes, and of course gloves. So I'm starting off with cleaning up her ears. Let that sit for about a minute or two. Then I pierced her ears in the exact location she wanted it. And then I just changed that with the ring, nice and neat, and just closed it off. So one ear is done, and again I repeat it on the next ear. Cleaned it off, put the needle right through. Tell me if you need a sour. They got loud, girl, my shit is louder. Just hit my jack when you sober. I got dope, I'ma roll up. Just hit my jack when you sober. And then just change it with a ring. Roll up. Anything you need, girl, you know I got it. She's so wavy, I could tell that she poppin'. Smoking no like gas, I think she Jamaican. Always beefing with them hoes, they be hating. She be lit.
Oh, this one was so easy because it was on the right side. So this one, same thing, righty tighty like to use. That's any screw. Like if you're putting a screw on the wall. Yay! Show your ears. Show your ears like really closed up on the thingy. On this. Thanks, Emmy.